we go. We're recording, by the way. All right. There's a weapons accessory thing really close. There's a story mission, and there is some skill points. Okay, yeah, it's simple. All right. All right, here's the mission briefing. This is oh, you're already flying there. The heck. All right, mission briefing. No witnesses. Oh, it's our own thing. All right, but we did say no witnesses, so when I say no witnesses, I mean no witnesses. Good guys or bad guys.
Hold up. There's a weapons case here.
Okay, that was easy.
Nice.
That was a lot more climactic, or less climactic than I thought it was going to be. All right, there's another thing here. I want to go. Yeah, still a helicopter. Like markets. Okay, I'm following. All right, little bird. This is big bird. That Black Hawk was down. Have you seen that trailer for Black Hawk Down? The trailer? Yeah, the guy goes, that Black Hawk was down. We're like, oh, yeah. He said the thing. What the heck? This doesn't even have any oppositions. Oh. Okay. Don't shoot the helicopter. Alright, I got coverage. Oh shoot. There's info right in that building. Don't leave yet. It's got a target thing in this building, or a package thing inside the shed over here. Grab it. I'm watching.
Oh my god. Mustard on the beat. Help. Okay.
Where'd they go? Exit. Okay, something's happening. Why? Yeah, my thing keeps pulling up the. What is doing that? Okay. Yeah. Anyways.
If you want to smoke, come up.
Got it. Okay. Copy. I got your. Yeah, like randomly the menu keeps popping up. It's like someone's hitting escape. I don't know if it's like one of those other controllers that are plugged in, but. I picture you as Josh Hartnett in this scenario, because I want to be Luke Wilson. Safety's right here, sir. We got bad guys below us, by the way. Blackhawk 6, you got VFR.
Stealing supply choppers to help cartel crushing rebels. I love my job.
Heck yeah. Take it. Alright, man. I will talk to you. Let's do it. Alright, we're doing it. I think there's thermal on that one. Alright. Okay, convoy. How do we want to play this? You want me to get ahead of it and you want to drop some mines? Okay. You got your mine selected? I'm trying to get her now. Okay. Oh, you're good. And welcome. Alright, it's got like 200 meters.
Yo, I'm planning a mine.
Boom!
Commo truck's secure. Qatari's people are on the way to come pick up the gear.
I want to run out of that little area. Dang. Is there another convoy near us? Let me see if I can put Unidad helicopter. Should have a lot of convoys. Side mission. Flag if you want to do something. Sounds good, man. Alright, be good. Alright, I'm gonna 9/11 this thing.